Now let's decorate this buttercream cake. First of all, you stack your cakes together. I'm using 3 vanilla cakes. Now hold them together with your skewers, and after that you start trimming. Now after trimming, try as much as possible to level the cake, and after leveling the cake, gather all the crumbs and pour into your buttercream to create a crumb coating buttercream. And after that, you begin to apply the crumb coating buttercream on it. Next, you apply your normal buttercream on top to smoothen it out. Now, with the help of this comb, begin to comb the cake by going up and down as you rotate the cake. I'm so sorry it didn't show well in the video. Although it is not compulsory that you must use this comb, so any comb of your choice is okay, or any design you decide to use is just perfect, okay? But for me, I am using this design now. Next, let's make the cake topper. For the cake topper, I am going to cutting out 8 by 8 inches. The paper I'm using here is a glitters paper, okay? You can use the plain one. Any paper of your choice will do, as long as it's strong enough to stand. Now, after cutting the 8 by 8 inches, you just fold it into 2 and divide it again. It will now give you, each one will now be triangle. And after that, you begin to, the way we normally do hand fan when we were in primary school in those days. You begin to fold it front and back as if you're making a hand fan from the wider side. So my lovely viewers, while this class is going on, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being with me here. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscription button so you'll be getting the notification each time I send my video. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Now, after folding, begin to perforate with your perforating machine. That is creating a hole on each line. Now, after creating the holes, hold down the middle and then fold to join the two edges together. And after that, use your skewer and pass through the holes. And after that, you apply your hot glue to join everything together. Hold it firm so that you'll be sure that it's well sticked together. And that is it. You have made your cake topper. I'm going to make two of these, but behind camera, that is, I'm going to be placing two on top of the cake. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. So here is our finished work. Next, you can decide to pipe, okay? Or it's not even compulsory. You can just put your topper and leave it like that, okay? You can decide to use the glitters, papers on it. Anything at all will work. This is our finished cake. You can see how beautiful it is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.